So here we have some coloured, I'm going to call them dabs. If you want to give them a different name, that's fine. But I'm going to call these my coloured dabs, okay? So here we have some coloured dabs. Firstly, we're going to count how many coloured dabs we have. Now I'm going to use my black pen just to make sure that I count correctly and don't lose count. When you're counting, you can do this, and sometimes it helps you to just make sure that you don't lose track. Okay, are you ready? Count along with me. I'm going to put a black mark against each of those dabs that I've coloured. Ready? Here we go. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last one is, you are correct, 6. We have 6 coloured dabs. Now the question is, how do we write 6 as a number? Here we go. Let's do it together. Okay, you can put your number. You can put your finger on the screen if you would like to, or you can just simply watch me do it. We're going to do a number 6. So for 6, we go down and we go all the way around. It kind of curves in. There we have number 6. Okay. Now the next thing we're going to do is we are going to write number 6 in words. How do we spell 6? Now 6 is quite a short word to write. It's got 3 letters. Can you think of the 3 letters which are present in the word 6? So we've got S, it starts with a S. We've got an S, there we go. What's the next letter? You're correct. It's an I, which has the sound I, I, I. What's the last letter? You're correct again. It's X or X. X makes the sound X. So we have 6. That wasn't too hard, was it? So we've got our 6 dabs. We've got our number 6, and we've got our word 6. Super easy. Shall we do another one? Fantastic. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to get rid of this by number 6, and I'm going to get rid of some of my dabs. I'm going to say goodbye to some of my dabs, and that's how many dabs I'm going to leave. So you can see that we have a different number now. Can you count them out and count how many dabs we have now? Because we've got a different number of dabs. Should we do it together? Okay, here we go. So I'm going to use my pen again just so I don't lose count. We've got 1 dab, 2 dabs, 3 dabs, and 4 dabs. So of course we're going to write the number 4 first. So we're going to go down. You can put your finger on the screen if you'd like to, across, and then we're going to cross our number 4 just like that. Now the tricky bit, we're going to write number 4. Shall we try together? It's okay if you don't know how to do it by yourself yet, because that's why we can help each other. So what letter do you think 4, listen to the sound, 4, what letter do you think 4 starts with? You're correct. It starts with the letter F, and the letter F makes that F sound. So here's my letter F. There we go. What letter do you think might be next? The next letter is O, which makes the sound O, O, O. What's next? The next one's the letter U, which makes the sound oo, oo, oo. Without me telling you, what do you think is the last letter in the word for? For. For. What do you think? You're correct. It's an R, which makes the sound R. Fantastic. The funny thing about 4 is it's number 4, 4 dabs, and look how many letters. 1 letter, 2 letters, 3 letters, 4 letters, and that can help us to spell the word 4. Now we're going to go back again. Shall we do one more? Are you sure? Fantastic. Okay, I'm going to make my number of dabs a little bit bigger. So I'm just going to change some colours. Here we go. I'm going to put another dab here. I'm going to put another dab here. And I'm going to do one more. So now we have a different number of dabs. I'm going to get my black pen so we can count them together, because we've got to count them first, haven't we? Here we go. Are you ready? I know you've done lots of counting, but you can do it. You've done ever so well. Here we go. Let's count those dabs. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We've got 7 dabs. Seven's quite a, but it's a slightly bigger number. So let's try and write number 7 together. Again, you can put your hand on the screen if you'd like to. Let's write number 7. Here we go. All the way down. And sometimes I like to, not everybody, but some people like to cross it like that. Some people do, some people don't. But that's our number 7. Now, the next thing is, how do we write number 7? Think of the word 7. What does it sound like? What letter comes first? 7. Say it with me. 7. You're right. It starts with the letter S. Fantastic. Here we go. There's our letter S. And the next one is an E. All the way around. V. E. What's the last letter? 7. 7. You're correct. You're so good at this. It's the letter N, which makes that N sound. Fantastic. You're so good at this. There we go. We've got our 7 dabs. We've got number 7. And we've got the word 7 as well. You have done ever so well. Well done.